I just added a super cool new feature to Scribewave, which you can find by going to the chat tab. You can now essentially chat with any transcript you have. So it can help you to summarize interviews, enhance your transcript, make professional meeting notes, and you can customize it to your own liking. I'll start with showing a couple of basic examples. So the first one is a summary that is made out of this interview. As you can see, the AI successfully identified the key points and the main takeaways. You can download it as a Word file. Other things that you can ask is, for example, to ask for some highlights. These highlights are also nicely structured. And what's really cool about this feature is that every instance is linked to the exact time code that it's being set in the audio. So for example, if I want to see this quote, I can just click on it. Transcript will go to that point in the video. So of course I can just ask questions. For example, I see that Flia and Anthony are talking a lot. So I can ask it when the first question is asked to Josh. Now it gives the time code and we see indeed that the first question is asked to Josh. We can also create our own custom prompts by typing a slash and then create new presets. So for example, a preset that we can make is an entity extractor. You can paste this prompt to show you. Display all the countries, people and brands that are mentioned in the transcript in a table. Include the following columns: content, the type, the sentiment and the time code. So we can save this and I can just search for it in the chat box, click entity extractor, and now run this prompt. As you can see, there is a table created. It goes very fast with all the brands, the people and the countries that are mentioned in the transcript with a sentiment label and a time code. You can save this result if you like it. You can edit it as well and you can download it as Word. Two other features that I want to show you are two special commands that you can give. First one is cleanup. This will clean up the transcript and create a more beautiful version without stop words, for example. So this makes it more readable in general. Second feature that I really want to show you is the action to translate. If you click translate, you can choose a language. I'll choose Dutch. This will translate the entire transcript to that language. There are more than 90 languages to pick from. Translation is also synchronized with the exact time codes of the original material, and you can download it in all these different text formats, for example, as a Word document, and then you get the translated document.